Hi everybody, I'm Aaron Higgins. Welcome back to New England Fire Cooking. We've got a beautiful, bright, sunny day to grill today, and I'm going to show you how to cook some epic smash burgers. Before we get into this, make sure you subscribe to the channel. That way you can get all of our latest recipes and videos. Now let's go smash. Light a Royal Oak tumbleweed fire starter. Set our chimney and B&B briquette right down on top of it. Got some ground wagyu here. We're gonna roll these into half-pound balls, and that's what we're gonna use for these burgers. Once your charcoal's nice and hot, put your grates back. We've got our grill grates for any grill flipped over upside down. We're gonna be using those on a flat top. Now we're just gonna hit it with a little bit of cooking spray. And I'll get these burgers on them. So to do these burgers, what you wanna do is you wanna set them right on your grate and press down on them and get them really thin. That's what makes them a smash burger. Season with your favorite burger seasoning. I'm using a little bit of Fresh Jack's burger seasoning. I'm gonna get this closed. After a couple minutes, these burgers are ready to flip. Really didn't take too long. Let's get some cheese on these burgers. Let it melt up nice. And now, I'm going to get these burgers right off. Right up onto these brioche buns. Now we're going to do some pickles. A little bit of Ken's Thousand Island. And we are in business. Okay, you guys, here we are. It was a hot one today, and this is a perfect 4th of July burger. So before I get into this, let's do a quick run through. It's real easy. Fire up your Weber kettle or any charcoal grill. Take your grill grates for any grill and flip them upside down and use them as a flat top. If you don't have grill grates for any grill, you can use a cast iron. That'll work just fine. Or a griddle, if you have a Blackstone or something like that, perfect. And then what we had was half-pound balls of ground wagyu, and we just gave them a good smash right on those grill grates for any grill. We hit them with a little bit of the Fresh Jack's Grill Master burger seasoning. Got a little bit of American cheese on them after we gave them a flip. Once the cheese got melty, pulled them off, threw them on some brioche buns, gave them some bread and butter pickle chips, some Thousand Island dressing. Ken's Thousand Island dressing. Reminds me of mac sauce. Now I'm going in. Go right into this beefy goodness here. I love smash burgers. They're crispy, they're juicy, they taste amazing. Nice flame, char flavor to them. Cheesy. Absolute dynamite. You cannot go wrong. Ken's Thousand Island dressing is perfect. Just like mac sauce. Pickles give it a nice flavor pop. If you get a good like 80-20 or even 70-30 ratio of ground burger meat, it's great to do smash burgers like this. And man, I'm not stopping. I should, because I have one more of these bad boys that I gotta cook. So, oh, I lost a pickle. Anyway, guys. Absolutely awesome. I love these cooks during the summer when it's hot and fast. You're sitting down, you're eating really awesome food. You're not babysitting a smoker all day. We'll save that for the fall and the early winter months. But I gotta tell you, These are perfect for your 4th of July get together. Easy to do, not gonna put you out of pocket all that much, and everybody will think you're some kind of friggin' sorcerer. Oh. Anyway, guys, if you like what you see here and you like what we're doing on this channel, like I said at the beginning of the video, give us a subscribe, share this with your friends, check us out on Instagram, check us out on Facebook. Thanks for hanging out with us today. We'll see you next time.